Service in Pittsburgh has issued a flash flood warning for southwestern Coshocton County, north central Muskingum County until 5 p.m. At 2:55 p.m., radar indicated heavy rain in the warned area. Flash flooding expected. Estimated rainfall up to 2 inches. Additional rainfall another 1.0 to 1.5 inches. Some locations that may experience flooding include Dresden. Please report flooding by calling 412-262-1988, posting to the National Weather Service Pittsburgh Facebook page, or using Twitter at Northwest South Pittsburgh. And now the